Dr. Brad Hannon here with another one of my MET Foundations of Health videos where I am teaching you how to move right, eat right, and think right. Let's take a quick moment to address posture, but first, let's have an understanding of leverage. Imagine I give you a bowling ball to hold on to and you hold it close with both hands near your chest. It's not too bad, is it? Now imagine holding that bowling ball at arm's length out in front of you. That bowling ball now feels heavier, doesn't it? This is due to the leverage. Your head is basically the weight of a bowling ball, and when your head is in the location it was designed to be in, your body can manage holding it up without much effort. But slouch like most Americans do while sitting, driving, using technology, watching TV, and this will cause your head to translate forward, which doubles or triples the amount of effort necessary for the muscles of your neck, upper back, and shoulder region to hold it up. Let's switch now to think about your shoulders. In this slouch position, the shoulder will be more rounded and forward. This is not the best, most efficient location for your shoulders to function. They were designed to work in this down and back upright position. Having a slouched posture can reduce breathing, cause headaches, contribute to jaw pain, and so much more. Chronic poor head forward, shoulder forward, slouched posture results in what we call upper cross syndrome, where we end up with tight upper trap muscles, tight SCMs, tight pec muscles with weak neck flexors and weak rhomboid muscles. This will similarly occur in the lower part of our body, causing anterior pelvic tilt due to weak abdominals, weak glutes, tight hip flexors, tight hamstrings, and tight lumbar paraspinals. This is why it's so important to do some daily stretching, daily foam rolling, exercises, posture correction. Generally, work on having your ears in line over your shoulders and reset your posture every 15 minutes or so while performing prolonged tasks. For some, you may even want to set a timer. So I hope you learned a little bit about posture today. Remember, when you want to feel your best, think MET. How are you moving? How are you eating? How are you thinking? And this can steer you in the right direction to achieve a healthier you.